Sunlight provides several important benefits to chickens, impacting their health, behavior, and productivity. Here are the main benefits. Rooster 1. Vitamin D production. Sunlight helps chickens synthesize vitamin D3 through their skin. Vitamin D3 is essential for calcium absorption, important for strong eggshells. Bone health prevents issues like rickets and weak legs. Natural light exposure regulates the laying cycle through the pineal gland. Sun with phase 2. Egg production. Chickens need around 14 to 16 hours of light per day to maintain consistent egg laying. Sunlight, or supplemental lighting, helps keep laying hens productive, especially in shorter winter days. 3. Mental and behavioral health. Sunlight supports natural behavior like dust bathing, foraging, and scratching. Exposure to daylight reduces stress, boredom, and related behaviors such as feather pecking or aggression. Flexed biceps 4. Immune system boost. Sunlight exposure is linked to stronger immune function in chickens. Chickens kept outdoors in the sun than those kept in dark generally have lower disease rates. Enclosed spaces. Herb 5. Improved growth in chicks. Chicks exposed to natural light and fresh air tend to grow faster and healthier. Helps with appetite regulation, activity levels, and natural circadian rhythms. Sun with rays hash tips for providing sunlight. Provide shaded areas as well to avoid overheating. Let chickens free range or have access to an outdoor run with sunlight. In winter or in enclosed coops, use full spectrum lights to simulate sunlight if natural light is limited. Please continue watching.
May mga itlog na yan eh. Pingain, nakalaban
Subscribe.
Yung isang aparay. Lem. Ano titlog nun? 2, 4, 6, 7. Relax. Relax, my man. Apakayabang. Takot. Ano na kayang itlog nito? Relax. Relax lang. Ang dami na siguro yan. Relax. Takot na takot, pre. Okay.
Subscribe.